All right, the next step will be, we have these marks transferred from where this center spacer is. Next thing, we need to do some layout on the top here. So the easiest is to put it in a vise, just gently in there. And then we've got to find the center. And the best way to find center is probably just by looking at it and make a line down the center. You can measure if you want to. It's 1 inch, so you can go ½ an inch, just find half and then connect it with a line, or just a finger scribe like I did is probably the easiest. What we need to do is we're going to lay out where the holes go for the sound chamber and sound channel. Colin, you need to be watching. Come on around here and watch. Right up here. I'll have to edit that out. Okay, does that make sense, what I'm doing here? So I got a line down the center. Then I want to, this is where you have to measure carefully. So I'm going to go, I want a channel down here that's 3/8 of an inch wide. So here's the 3, and I'm moving over 1, 2, 3/16, which is half of 3/8. So I'm going to make the 3/16 go on my center line. I'm going to make a mark here at the 3. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3/16 past and make another mark. That will be the outer edges of my channel. I'm going to go down here and do the same thing. 3/16 of an inch past the 3. I'm going to make a mark. 3/16 past the other way, make a mark. Now I have the width of my channel. That should be 3/8. It isn't. What did I do wrong? There's where I want to be, right there, not that one. Now I'm going to carefully draw these lines. All right. Now here's where we're going to lay out the ends. So we know that right underneath here is that dowel, that block. Right here I want to make a hole through, and here I want to make a hole through. I'm going to measure, I've got it lined up here on the 5, 1/4 of an inch. Right there, and on this side 1/4 of an inch, and I can make those lines go across. This is the layout. You should have something like this. Right here and right here have to be chiseled all the way through to the other side. Sometimes we drill a hole and clean it up. That doesn't always work as well. I'm going to show you how to chisel it, because if you have a sharp chisel, it doesn't take that long.